I saved the best for last. This is one of my favorite ones, to use what is around you to protect yourself in a self-defense. Now imagine you are like me, you are sandpapering the floor, sandpapering. I am now sandpapering the floor because the floor needs sandpapering. And then the attacker is come to you. Attacker comes to me. Hup. Jump. Ho. Hup. Get up. Don't you dare come back, or I'm gonna eat you like Al-Qaeda. See, those are some of the things. Not only can you protect yourself, you can entertain yourself with what's around you. Hey man, what are you doing? Don't know. I'm gonna go to sandpaper in the floor. Okay man, have a good day.